Feeling drained after a long workday? You're not alone. Workout fatigue is real, and for busy professionals, it can be the difference between hitting the gym and hitting the couch. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim your energy and power through your workouts without feeling exhausted? First, let's clear this up. Workout fatigue isn't just about being tired. It's a mix of physical depletion, mental exhaustion, and even poor recovery habits. But the good news? Science has answers. And today, I'm giving you the best energy-boosting tips to help you train smarter, not harder. If you're skipping meals or relying on caffeine to push through, stop right there. Food is fuel. To sustain energy, focus on complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and whole grains for long-lasting energy. Lean proteins such as chicken, tofu, or eggs to help muscle recovery. And hydration, because even mild dehydration can zap energy by 20%. Pro tip, add electrolytes like sodium and potassium to your water if you sweat a lot. Late night Netflix binges? Big mistake. Sleep is the #1 recovery tool. Your body repairs muscles and refuels energy when you're in deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed because blue light blocks melatonin. And try magnesium before bed as it helps relax muscles and improve sleep quality. Feeling exhausted after long hours at work? Instead of draining yourself with long workouts, try short, intense workouts. 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT or strength training beats a sluggish 1-hour gym session. Active recovery days with yoga, stretching, or light walks keep you refreshed. Listen to your body. If you're running on empty, it's okay to adjust intensity. Stress isn't just mental, it drains your body's energy. Reduce mental fatigue with breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 method to reset your nervous system. Reframe fatigue. Instead of saying, "I'm too tired," tell yourself, "I'm getting stronger." Avoid burnout because overworking leads to exhaustion, not success. Balance is key. Fatigue doesn't have to control your workouts. By eating right, sleeping well, training smart, and managing stress, you can boost energy and stay consistent. Try these tips and let me know which one works best for you. Hit that like and subscribe if you want more energy-packed fitness content. See you in the next one.